Hi guys, how are you?
Good.
Okay, so Ariana, what are we making today?
Today we're making a picker.
Picker. It's a waste picker.
Yeah, with
So what do we need?
a straw, a cup, and a glue gun.
Yeah, we got 2 cups and a straw and a glue gun. Okay, let's start.
Now we made a line of the glass.
Yeah, we have drew lines on the glass
And now we're going to make a hole.
and we're going to cut it. Let's do it.
Yeah, just cut it. Now we're going to get the others and get 4, cut off it, and now we're going to rip it off a lot. Now we're going to cut off these as a lot of them and leave 4 of them in the middle 4s so we can use them to fold it off. So now we cut it, now we have to fold it off.
Yes.
Now we have to put a hole in center.
No, just point it.
So we have to make a hole in it. 2 holes.
Yeah. One on
One on
this one.
and one on this one and one of this one.
This one like this. Yeah.
Now we have cut a little slit off on with the scissors.
Yeah. Can you show me the slits? The little slits like 1 inch slits. Yeah. Now we have put the straw with the glue gun, and now this is halfway ready. Now we're going to put that one on the top of this. Okay?
Now let's put this cup in this cup.
Yeah.
Now it's ready.
It's ready. So Ariana can grab stuff in it.
How?
Let's do it. Now this is ready.
Yes.
And how we're going to use it like this, and we
Pick it.
do it. And there you go.